Hey everybody, this video I'm going to do something a little bit different here. I don't normally do stuff like this, but I did want everyone to see these kind of cool locks because a lot of them may never actually get picked, at least not by me anyway. So I bought that separate here, but a buddy of mine's a locksmith, pretty much a lifelong one. His father owned a shop, and moving or something, he found a bunch of cool locks and gave them all to me. This one is a multi-lock padlock. And I may actually be able to pick this one. I've not picked a multi-lock in a couple of years, but I might be able to do it. Even got a key blank for it. And he's actually got an old multi-lock tower machine. So if I am able to pick this, I might take a trip down to his house and see if we can cut a key on video. That might be kind of cool. And then I got a Medeco Padlock. It's kind of like a American 700 is kind of what it looks like, but it's Medeco core and everything. And this guy even has a duplication card, but of course no key blank that I've got laying around fits it, and I don't know if I'll ever be able to pick that or not. I'm going to try, but if I do pick it, maybe I'll switch it out with the Medeco that I do have a key for. And we have an old Avis combination lock, and looks like some corrosion or battery acid or something leaked on this guy. Wheels barely turn, but I might try to figure that out, see if I can get this guy open, just brute forcing it or something. We got a old American 200. That will probably wind up on the channel picked because I can definitely pick those guys. And then we've got a really old 747 still in a box, which is really, really neat. These are really cool locks in my very humble opinion. And you see it's got some drill protection, everything in there. And of course, also no keys. But pretty neat though to have this guy in a box. And then we have another American Series 2000 here. And I guess this was from a lockout and somebody drove a bolt into it. So this we're going to actually hopefully be able to fix with this. Just picked this up at US Lock the other day when I was there. So, see if we can swap this guy here. And I can at least maybe add this lock to my collection. That worked pretty effectively there. Stick our brand new one in. And tighten our screw down. And I got 12 of these laying around that I'm actually going to probably sell, so I don't have one for my actual collection. So, oops, excited to have this. Okay, that's probably too tight. No, it's actually, I think that's going to work. Alright, so at least this guy's brought back to life anyway. And I might someday pick this one on the channel as well. But it's cool to have one actually in my collection. And this guy will probably just file 13 or maybe pop that roll pin out and keep this part just for the hell of it. But anyway, I just wanted to show everybody because these... some of these, you know, may not ever get picked, so you'll never see them on the channel. But I did want everyone to see them because they're old, and I think they're really cool. So, like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and until next time.